Ever wonder why your rare variegated aroid is surviving but not thriving? Let me show you what's been secretly choking this plant. This is coco peat. It's fine for seedlings, but if this is the only thing in your pot, your plant's roots are basically suffocating. Today, I'm giving this Rhaphidophora tetrasperma variegata the soil mix it deserves, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. This mix is super simple and it works like magic. You only need 3 ingredients: orchid bark, perlite and worm castings. That's it, no peat, no potting soil, just chunky, breathable goodness that lets your arid roots breathe and grow. Orchid bark creates structure and airflow. Perlite keeps things light and draining fast. And worm castings add gentle nutrients and healthy microbes to fuel growth without burning the roots. My ratio is easy to remember: 50% orchid bark, 40% perlite and 10% worm castings. Mix them all together until it feels loose, chunky and well balanced. When you squeeze a handful, it should fall apart, not clump. Now let's talk about this plant. It was living in pure coco peat. And while the roots aren't in terrible shape, they have definitely been crowded in a dense, wet environment that holds on to too much moisture. I'm going to gently loosen the roots so they can spread into their new mix. I'm using a pot with drainage holes and I'm starting with a layer of the mix at the bottom. Then I place the plant in, feel around the root ball and lightly press it down just to stabilize. Don't compact it, we want the roots to breathe. I will water it just enough to help the mix settle. That's it, simple, effective and perfect for aroids like this. After repotting, keep your plant in bright indirect light and let the top layer of the soil dry out before watering again. This chunky airy blend gives your plant everything it needs: structure, drainage, and slow release nutrients from the worm castings. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a plant friend, and subscribe for more no-fuss plant care. And let me know in the comments what's your go-to arid soil mix. Happy growing!